In this video, we're going to show you how to use your spirometer with the patientMpower app. Please ensure you've paired your Spirobank Smart with the app before taking a measurement. You only need to do this once. Your Bluetooth should be turned on every time you take a measurement, and you can check this in your phone or tablet's settings menu. Once ready to take a measurement, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen, select Add Spirometry, read the instructions, and once ready, press Understood. Breathe normally 2 to 3 times and take a slow, deep breath. Then blow as hard and as fast as you can into the mouthpiece. Keep going until you've completely emptied your lungs for at least 6 seconds. After completing the measurement, you can press Done and return to the dashboard, or you can add a note and enter a health journal entry.